Hey, how's it going? I'm Eric, Daytona Truck Meet 2021. Behind me sits my 2020 Ram 2500 HD. So we got this truck lifted on a 6-inch BDS lift kit with Fox 2.0 resis, all powder coated white to match. And then we got some American Force 2414 concave wheels, Nitto 37 1350 24, and some True Spike lug nuts, Cap King floater caps. I went with a BDS lift. I had another one on my previous truck before and rode amazing, so I'm just trying to continue the good riding truck. I built this truck just for pleasure use. You know, I drive it, take it out to the shows, but I also tow every day with it. I have a detailing company, so I tow a small detail trailer, but still working a little bit. If you're looking to lift your truck, check out the guys at BDS Suspension. They'll hook you up.